Paul McCartney and John Lennon were renowned songwriters, and their talents extended far beyond benefiting just the Beatles. They wrote numerous songs that were recorded by other artists, including the Rolling Stones' first hit, I Wanna Be Your Man. The band's manager, Brian Epstein, also used songs written by Paul and John for other artists he managed, such as Cilla Black and Billy J. Kramer and the Dakotas. Additionally, Paul wrote the first hit for Badfinger after they signed with the Beatles label Apple, Come and Get It, which reached number 4 on the UK charts. The Beatles also gave away the song A World Without Love to Peter and Gordon because Paul didn't think it was good enough for the band. It went on to become a chart-topping hit for the pop duo. Another song they were happy to release was That Means a Lot, primarily written by Paul, which was initially meant for the soundtrack of their 1965 film Help. Though the Beatles attempted to record it in February and March of that year, they couldn't get it right. At the time, John explained that the song was a ballad Paul and he wrote for the film, but they found it difficult to perform. They decided to give it to someone else who could do a better job with it. The song was then handed over to American singer P.J. Proby, whose version was released in September 1965 and reached number 24 on the NME chart. While Paul was happy to give it away, he didn't particularly want it to be released. In an interview with Barry Miles for his biography, Paul explained that he usually tried to bury such songs and not release them, but due to the pressure from others seeking new material, he gave it to Proby, who achieved a minor hit with it. The Beatles' version of the song was later released on the second anthology compilation album in 1996, but Paul had not grown fonder of it. In a 1988 interview with Mark Lewison, he admitted that there were a few songs they weren't particularly fond of or felt weren't quite finished, and this was one of them.